All right, so I finally got the notification that I need to charge the ring, and I got that at 11:05 this morning, which marks 6 nights in about 5 days, almost, well, not almost full 5 days, but leading into a seventh day almost. And I think that's pretty good. So it probably went off at about 30%. Because right after that, I took a nap, and that nap was so needed. Oh my gosh. And now it's still saying I have about 20%. It's like 22, but it seems like it's been fluctuating a little bit. I don't fully know what that's about, but as long as it just doesn't cut off on me randomly, I'm cool with it not being exact. But back to that nap though, like that was a good nap. I usually don't take naps. I don't really like to because it throws off my sleeping at night. But the app tells you sometimes you need to take a nap, but take them earlier in the day. So don't take them in the afternoon because that can throw off your rhythms. So I took it in the morning again, right after that notification. My readiness score for today was a 61, and that's the lowest I've had it since I've been wearing the ring. The day before was 71. So it's just been steadily going down because I don't sleep enough. And I also do a lot of stuff. Like I've been working out, going to work, like all these things. I'm just active a lot. So um, as I was leaving work today, I was just dozing off in the car. And that's like really bad. Like that should never happen. So decided, Kyle, go take a nap. Took that nap, and I love what it does after that. So one, like again, it always shows you your heart rate, but it also shows you like different extracurriculars. And if you do take a nap, it will give you a notification in the app, not an actual icon or anything, but it is asked, did you take a nap at this time and for this long? And you can either dismiss it or say, yes, you did. 'Cause sometimes I've had it register that I was taking a nap, but I was just very low energy, lethargic. I wasn't actually sleep. Like I could have been, I was right on the cusp of it though, but just didn't let myself take that nap. But this was a full fledged nap. And then it shows me all of the metrics behind that nap itself. So instead of just updating the score, it will show you what it added to your score. So you can look at the nap individually from the rest of your sleep, which is really nice. Never had that wearing Fitbit watches, which previously to me is like the best sleeping wearable, sleep tracking wearable. That alone just blows that out of the water to me. So it added 16 score on readiness and about 14 on sleep score, which was about an hour 46-minute nap. Total duration was almost 2 hours, but again, I really needed that nap, and I do feel better. But I also like in your actual sleep category, if you look on that, it will show you the details of, like, again, shows you the nap, shows you your actual sleep separately, but then on the main page it shows it to you like in a break, like it shows that same type of bar chart that is right on your front page, and then it's now moved me into optimal sleep. So that's good. I don't know why I said good like that. Readiness still needs some work, but we're getting there. So goodbye for now.